Hey YouTube, what's going on? Squall 2020 come back at you with some more boxes of Gridiron gear. If you have not watched the first video, I strongly urge you to do so. I'm still shaking after that one. Absolutely disgusting. Great PC edition is all I'm gonna say. Well, you don't have to necessarily watch it, but if you want to watch the excitement of me pulling it, then here it is. 5 of 5. That is the lowest numbered Matthew Stafford autograph. The lowest number prior to that was numbered to 10 from last year's certified, but it was actually had a manufacturing damage ding on it. So I sent it back to Panini. And I haven't heard anything back yet, but I'm gonna have someone look into it on Monday. Donovan McNabb gold, or I'm sorry, Silver X to 250. Earl Thomas rookie. Damn. That is I believe the third Matthew Stafford autograph I've pulled in my lifetime. Javid Best, rookie orientation, numbered at a 250, and a Preston Parker rookie. Oops. And I did inspect it to make sure it did not have a manufacturing ding to it. Trust me, when I pulled the Stafford auto last year out of 10, I was really pissed off. But this one is in perfect condition. Arian Foster Game Breakers, numbered out of nothing. And a Brandon Graham rookie. Come on, pull out auto. That's what I'm looking for. Brett Favre, rookie of Nate Allen X, numbered at a 250. And John Connor for the Jets, rookie. John Connor. The Terminator. Alright, we got some goodness going on here. Let's do a slow reveal to see the numbering, even though I'm not going to be able to see it. Dallas Clark at a 44. 2 out of 44. Dual jersey. Game breakers. Nice. That's sick. Dallas Clark for the win. I'm trying to determine if that Matthew Stafford... Oh, we have a Chris Gronkowski. I'm trying to determine if that Stafford was actually a case hit. Could very well be. What up, Sevens? Matt Ryan. Kawamisi, rookie. Kawamisi, however, Misi. Danny Amendola, that guy's just been lights out. A gold X, Willis McGahee out of 100. Dan Williams, rookie. I wonder if Dallas is potentially kicking themselves for letting Danny Amendola go, because he's been pretty damn lights out this year. Jamal Charles, we have an auto of Derek Morgan. What up, Denny? Choice. Gold X, numbered out of $2.99. I got pack dust all over my keyboard. It's a good problem to have. Jimmy Clausen rookie orientation, numbered out of 100. And a rookie of David Nelson. I actually have a redemption of his. Chris Chambers and a Matt Castle. Once again, another Chiefs pack. Tom Brady, David Reed rookie, not numbered. And which one was? Oh, the Tom Brady Silver X was numbered to 250. And D'Angelo Williams. What up, sick? Ooh, we got some nastiness going on here. Look how thick this thing is. Alright. It's upside down. See if I can see a numbering here. A wide receiver. Max Komar. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not it. Duh. Sorry, Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Oh man, oh, sick. Plates and patches. That's my first plates and patches card from Gridiron Gear. 3-color patch, 1-color patch. Adrian Peterson. Numbered 17 out of 50. Oops, where is it? Down there. Sorry for the horrible lighting. But plates and patches. Nice. What is that? 3 hits so far? Yeah, I didn't slide the 1 card far enough. I thought it was a Max Komar thing. But, oh, we got something else here. Let's see if I can slide it up appropriately. Oh, I see, look at that. See Broncos. Oh, it's a wide receiver. So it is Demaryius Thomas. That is a jersey card. Demaryius Thomas, numbered out of 299. Not bad. I'd rather have him than Eric Decker. Willis McGahee, Silver X at a 250 in a Max Hall. Here's another Game Breakers Dallas Clark. That's numbered out of 100. Did we get a 5th hit? We sure did. Gotta love extra hits. I see orange. Numbered out of 186. Browns. Montario Hardesty. Oh, it is a pull-out auto. See, I said it. I said, come on, pull-out auto. We got the Montario Hardesty pull-out autographe. Numbered at a 2 out of 186. So, 5-hit box for the win. Still 3 more packs to go. It is extremely windy outside. Keith Totson, rookie out of 250, and a Parrish Cox rookie. This video is taking a little bit longer than I was hoping for, but Thomas Jones, Game Breakers D'Angelo Williams, numbered out of 250, Brandon Banks rookie. And last pack of this box is going to be dead, probably. Crash Course, Dustin Keller, Ray Lewis. Not numbered, and a rookie of Joe Webb. So, not a bad box at all. 5 hits. Get the pull-out auto. Montario Hardesty. Excuse me. And a Demaryius Thomas freshman orientation. A disgusting plates and patches. Adrian Peterson, Derek Morgan, rookie auto, and a dual jersey of Dallas Clark. Stay tuned, I got more.